Hey guys, welcome to Science Talk. We'll be teaching you about mass extinctions on today's show. Yay! I'm Alexis, your host for today, and we have a very special guest, extinction expert Jasmin.
Hey Alexis, I'm super happy to be here. I love this topic. Now let's get started. Now first things first, we know there are 5 great mass extinctions in our world history. According to BBC Nature, the 4 main mass extinction theories that are most commonly accepted today are methane gas releases, food basalt eruptions or volcanoes, climate change, and impact events such as meteors. In this photo by M. Stevenson, we are shown a hypothetical image of our most famous extinction. As our most recent extinction, the end Cretaceous extinction event, more commonly known as the KT, killed off all dinosaurs, as well as about half all species on the planet, roughly 65 million years ago, according to Life Science. The most common belief for the cause of the extinction is either impact with asteroids or comets, or even possibly a massive volcanic eruption.
Aww, how cute. I'm Jackie. Our next extinction was about 200 million years ago, the end Triassic or Triassic-Jurassic extinction event. This extinction ended life for roughly half of all species, like some of these. White creatures called theraspids were actually more numerous than the ancestors of dinosaurs prior to this extinction. Paleobiologist George McPhee said in a Life Science article that dinosaurs definitely survived better than the early proto-mammals did, and the extinction event might have entirely tipped it in their favor. It is believed that massive volcanic eruptions from volcanic regions that measured 4.2 million square miles could have been the reason for this extinction.
The next extinction was the largest thus far. 250 million years ago, the Permian-Triassic extinction eliminated up to 95% of the planet's species. Prior to this extinction, most marine animals were immobile filter feeders, but after they soon became much more advanced. The cause of this extinction was also massive volcanism. According to Life Science, the Siberian traps spewed as much as 2.7 million square miles of lava.
Around 360 million years ago, the Devonian extinction occurred. This picture by World Womb depicts the ocean during this period. This extinction was 2 increases of depth, 100,000 to 300,000 years apart. Drops in sea temperature from originally 93 degrees Fahrenheit to 78 degrees Fahrenheit may have been caused by ash and dust, potentially kicked up by volcanoes or meteors. This could be the reason behind this extinction, according to Life Science. The first mass extinction of our world was the Ordovician Silurian extinction around 444 million years ago. This photo by North Star and Gemini shows how the ocean floor may have looked in this period. This extinction is said to be the second largest of all the mass extinctions in history and was triggered by massive glaciation. As a result, sea levels were lowered and began to change the world, as stated by Life Science. The cause is still being debated to this day, but one hypothesis is that land plants took mass amounts of carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere and resulted in global cooling. Isn't our history cool? I wonder what the next mass extinction will look like. Thanks for watching! Yay!